Hey, what's up? Want to play Ranked in Rainbow Six Siege on console? You'll need to secure your Ubisoft account first. Here's how to do it really fast. Let's go. First, grab your phone or computer and head to Ubisoft.com. Sign into your Ubisoft account, the one tied to your R6 game or the one tied to your R6 game on Xbox or PlayStation. And then click Account Management under your profile. Easy so far, right? Now go to the Account Information tab, find the phone number section and click Add. Enter your number and then hit Submit. You'll get a text with a code. Type that in to verify. This is mandatory for Ranked on console, so don't skip it. Next, scroll to Security and click two-step verification. Hit Activate and then choose email or an app like Google Authenticator. Follow the prompts, scan the QR code if you're using an app or confirm via email. Save those backup codes they give you just in case. Done? Done. Load up R6 on your console, log in, and check Ranked. If it's unlocked, you're golden. And if not, double check you're on the right Ubisoft account. Sometimes people have multiples. That's it, guys. Super quick. Now you're secure and ready to climb the ranks. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in game. Peace.